All right, so here we are doing 9.3, number 7. Oh, sorry, not 9.3. And not number 7. This is 9.6, number 9. 9.6, number 9. Okay, so here we are given a set of stairs. So if you're looking at your picture on Big Ideas, it gives you a set of stairs. This is called a riser here. This is called a tread. I actually built my set of stairs in my house. I actually built them in 9 different houses. So I like this part. They chose me because I'm a math person. Okay, now it says that every riser is 7 inches and every tread, oh, I said that backwards, sorry. Every tread is 7 inches and every riser is 7 inches, every tread is 11 inches. This is 7, this is 11. This is 7 here, and then this is 11. This is 7, this is 11. Okay, so we want to look at this big triangle here to find our degree, since our x is in that triangle. Okay, so to get this length here, I just have to add up all these 11s. So I have 11 plus 11 plus 11, that's 33. Now, kind of the same thing for here. I need to add up all the 7s to get my length here. So 7 plus 7 plus 7, that's 21. Now, here's my angle we want to find. Am I going to use sine, am I going to use cosine, or am I going to use tangent? That's what we have to think here. Okay, well, I'm finding the angle, so I know it's an inverse. So I need to use an inverse one of those. Now let's label our sides. This is my opposite side is 21. Here's my hypotenuse here. My right angle is there. And then that means 33 is my adjacent side. Well, I have numbers for opposite and I have one for adjacent. So I know I want to set that up using opposite and adjacent. So that would be the tangent inverse. So tangent inverse. Tangent inverse of 22 over 33. 22 over 33. Now you just have to stick that in your calculator and you'll get what x equals. This all equals x. So now x will equal, I'm going to show you how to put it in your phone calculator since most of you have a phone. I have an Android, I don't have an iPhone. So if you have an iPhone, it might be a little different. So if you look, here's your little calculator screen. Mine has a little button up here. Now that I and V there means inverse. So you're going to click that inverse button right there. If I can do that. Not delete. Inverse. Now that inverse brings up all the little inverse functions here. I have sine inverse, cosine inverse, tangent inverse. We want to use tangent inverse. And I'm going to do 22 over, or sorry, it's not 22. So sorry, this was 21. 21 over 33. 21 divided by 33. I get 32, so it should look something like that. You get 32, we're going to round up to the nearest tenth, 32.5. So this is my answer for A. That's my answer for A. A is x equals 32.5. Now on B, it says, I want to build stairs that are not as steep. So something that's not as steep, the degrees are going to be less here, right? This would not be as steep. My angle won't be as big. So all you have to do is stick each one of these into your calculator to decide which one's the best one. So here I have 5 over 7 was one of the options, 5 and 7. And that's if my that's if this riser is 5. So my riser here is 5. And my tread here is 7. I'm going to do that with each one of these. Riser here is 5. My tread is 7. So now my triangle is going to look like this. My height here is going to be 5 for each one. Oh, sorry, this is 7. This is 5. Oh. See, I get moved too fast and then I lose myself. 5, 7, 5, 7. Okay, so my riser here is 5 plus 5 plus 5. That's going to be 15 tall. And it's going to be 21 wide. Okay, we're going to see if that makes the angle we want it to. So we're going to just do tangent inverse of this guy, 15 over 21, because we're looking at this angle here. And we put that in our calculator. So you do that for all of them. Let's see. Tangent inverse, 15 over 21. I get 35.5. Is this measure, 35.5, is that smaller or bigger than 32.5? Well, this is bigger. That means this is going to be more steep. The angle is bigger, so it's going to be more steep. We don't want that, so we know that's not one of the choices. Your choice ends up being 8 inches and 15 inches. If you do this, your angle that you would get is less than 32. So that one would be your right answer. So this is your answer for me. And you are done. You got this.